Tired of foam layouts that don't match your next mission? Then watch this. Fluid to rigid in seconds. KOR locks your gear in place and reconfigures on command when the loadout changes. But how does it work?
This is the KOR 3614 system, and I'm going to show you how it works. First, you want to smooth out the media. Once you've done that, you want to take your primary object and place it in the base of the double panel. Gently nestle it in so that the media conforms around the shape of the object. Then you're ready to pack the second layer. You want to take your time and nestle the objects inside so that you get a good impression. You want to close the valve all the way, connect our vacuum pump. Once you pull partial air out, then you're able to manipulate the media while it's still semi-soft. And by doing this, you're fully encapsulating the objects with thousands of touch points, whereas traditional cut foam only provides you with a limited amount. And pull the remainder of the air out of the system. You want to take your single panel and lay it over top. This acts as the replacement for the top foam that's traditionally in a case. Once you pull some of the air out, you have the ability to compress more of the panel around the objects inside to get even a tighter, more succinct connection. Pull the remainder of the air out. Now you've transformed that panel from a fluid panel to a completely rigid panel. But the beauty of the system is, let's say I wanted to change out this top layer of equipment. It's simple. Let air back into the system, remove the equipment you no longer need, replace it with the equipment that you do, pull the air out of the system again, seal the valve. Now I need to reform this single panel on top, so once again, I let air back in, massage the media around the objects, close the valve, and now you can see that there's no flexibility in this. So now your kit is going to stay exactly where you packed it the whole time during transit and will be ready to deploy when you're in the field.
That is KOR. Watch the next video in this series, or watch the main demo for the full walkthrough, and click the circle to subscribe.